Welcome to Lyra Clinical. Replenish essential hydration while rebuilding the skin's barrier, protecting and balancing the microbiome. Reset and refine skin texture through exfoliating enzymes and ascorbic acid. Skin-friendly, antioxidant-rich botanical oils and nourishing marine extracts partner together, engulfing skin in a purely clinical moisture bath. So let's see this clinically hydrating treatment in action. Upon a signed and completed consent form, cleanse skin with the MYSTIQ Illuminating Cleanser, applying to dry hands to dry face, massaging into the skin for approximately 1 minute, removing eye makeup if applicable. Then, removing with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. For our second cleanse, cleanse with the Enzyme Cleanser, massaging into the skin for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, re-wetting fingertips if needed for a stimulating cleansing massage. Remove with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. For our degreasing step and a clean canvas of the skin, using a swiping motion, apply a PRO Anti-Aging Pad across the entire facial area. Some activity may be felt on the skin during this step, which is normal. Do not rinse the skin and proceed to the exfoliation step. For our clinically hydrating hybrid, combine equal parts of Vita biohydrating mineral mask with a half dropper full of Hydra Infusion, whipping it together with an applicator or a mask brush. Apply it to the skin with fingertips or a brush, gently massaging in, if applicable, and what the skin needs, allowing the skin to rest for 2 to 5 minutes. Then proceed to remove the mixture with a cool barber towel or cleansing sponges until no activity is felt on the skin and the client's activity level is at a 0. Balance and nourish the skin by spritzing the pH solution into the palm of your hand or across the facial area, applying to the skin and allowing to absorb with restorative plant stem cells and potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Apply 3 to 4 drops of the new PRO Brite-Plus serum with 5% tranexamic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin C. Allow to absorb, fighting hyperpigmentation and brightening skin. Hydrate skin by applying the Hydra C serum into the skin until completely absorbed. If additional hydration is needed, the Caviar cream can be applied as an alternative or can be layered on top of the Hydra C serum for additional hydration and restoration. Next, we will apply 3 to 4 drops of the MYSTIQ Illuminating Beauty Oil, working it into the skin. This award-winning product is a must-have for all skin types and conditions, hydrating, nourishing, and brightening skin. Gently massage the MYSTIQ Perfecting Eye Cream into the eye area, around the orbital bone, and up to the lash line, hydrating skin and reducing puffiness and dark circles. Next, apply the Bio Lip Factor to the lips for a slight, glossy finish. And don't forget protection. Choose your client's preferred daily sun protection of either SPF Solar Shield 30 or BB cream color of choice. If applying a BB cream, use a pat and roll application, working from the inside out to the hairline. Thank you for watching. For further information, please visit lyraclinical.com or contact customer service at 877-440-5472. Thank you for choosing Lyra Clinical. Be bright, be beautiful.